Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Isn't that too far away from our hearts? Yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
So right now I just finished taking some pictures because I felt like I wanted to do something and they turned out to be nice. I'm so shocked and I'm so surprised and I'm so happy, you know. So I want to go out and buy some quota because I don't feel like cooking. Let me tell you, since I left contraceptives, my appetite has been manageable. Unlike when I'm using them, like I can tell, like I ate around 12 to 22 1 around there. I ate around there and I'm still like kind of full, but I'm like I've been craving. I've been craving for quota for the longest time, so I'm like, let me just feed my cravings, yeah. Yo, I feel pretty. That's why I've been like, go for cars. I feel pretty. So let me just go and buy some courtroom. The ring light is still on, baby. I do one of the simplest looks, but bona hair, face, bona. So I just came back from buying that at Gota. What? Here's the Gota. I love it. And in here we have my Coke. I love using this peanut butter bottle because I don't know, it just makes sense. So come on, don't ask him why isn't this here in this bottle, because Masariko said so. Yes, baby. Mutataba emutle lena on a Thursday. But someone is just beautiful for no reason. Period. I have to add. I need more cheese. More cheese. 2 slices. Because yeah, I didn't really get 9 cash. I didn't regular cash. So could do the looking back at my life. I look so beautiful. Like, what the heck? What the heck? Oh, you think? There's cheese in here. Let's eat. There's definitely... It's hot. Can you see that? Manada. I was supposed to get half ration, right? So let me tell you something. It's the next day. I just finished taking pictures with this face. I look pretty. So right now I'm busy thinking, and I'm like, then after this, what? There's not even like electricity. It's nowhere to be found. And it's still early for me to do anything. I woke up early. I woke up around like 9:30, yeah. So right now I'm like, let me just go to the mall and like buy myself some clothes. I know that I won't go to... I really need some jeans. It's either I'm going to Ackerman's, Clothing Junction, Choice. Ackerman's, I want jeans because they are not doing it for me. And Ackerman's, I love that they also cater for big girls, you know. Just that the problem got they are not stylish, you know, and I don't know what other thing to lay by there. Hopefully when I arrive at Choice, I'll find jeans that I love, you know. So I want to change this because it's kind of cold. Like drip it's forever, but it's kind of cold. I don't want the flu. So let me just think and see what like I'm busy looking at myself while I'm supposed to look here. So let me just see what I do. And also I'm going there with my last money. Next week my mother it's getting paid, so I'm like about 215 because you know. Yeah, so I'll see. So this is what I'm wearing. Woolworth shoes, jeans from Legit, Donosa, got it from my mom, and yeah, we are ready to go. Flex. La la. What do you even mean? On the other side of the news, I have to wash my hair. Not today, man. Enough. This is moi.